How would I describe the competition in one word? Amazing. So my goal for today is redeem myself for my really bad souls yesterday. Alright, don't need Quber today. Let's take those out. Oh yeah, I gotta fix that. Morning everyone. Morning. So heading over to the stadium to compete in second round for 2x2, 3x3 and Scoob. So looking forward to not making third round, but hopefully redeem myself from my sobs yesterday. So
seconds.
my God, what is happening? Yes! Hooray! Hard-working delegate. Hard-working delegate.
Hard-working, yeah.
Love it. No. Let's put out. Out. We're doing this one.
Yeah, I must have wrote his time wrong. 0.815. I think that's hard.
What do you mean just? That was pretty clear. Well done.
Oh, that's happened to me twice.
Yeah, that one.
Hey guys, so I've been really happy with my results so far. I've gotten PBs for 3x3. I don't think I got any for 2x2. I don't know. I'll have to check later. I know I say it a lot, guys, but if you haven't been to a competition and you don't think that you should, I'm telling you now, you really should. It is the most warming community you'll ever meet. We love to celebrate each other, our records, our personal bests. And I was very lucky at this comp. Billy was there and Billy offered me some more puzzles to give away at the end of the competition. So I made a game of it. I gave them a organic cube to roll it. If they called the color and they got it right, they won a prize. They all had a great time. The parents were really thankful. The parents even got involved, which was really fun. Grandparents got involved. And it was really great to give away puzzles, younger cubers to the parents, their siblings. So thank you so much for watching my comp vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to shop at Daily Puzzles, my sponsor, and use code PANDA for 5% off your order. Check out their loyalty program. They've got awesome rewards available through there too. And hopefully at the next competition I can also do another giveaway. So hope to see you there, guys. Have a good one. Cheers.
Make sure you check out my Instagram, panda_Quber, and subscribe to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe.